Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can use image in our SwiftUI app. So I already created a separate file and named it as image playground. We can use images in SwiftUI in two ways. The first way is by using a system icon, and for that you have to download SF symbol apps. It's available on the App Store, or you can just directly download from the Safari browser maybe. So this is how this app looks like. It has a lot of symbols that you can, or icons that you can use in your app, and you can even search for the icon. So let's just see, maybe you want to search the icon for the person. So we just need to select the icon that we want, or you can just see the name in here and then copy the name of this icon, and then we have to go back into our app. Let's just wrap this into a VStack, and now if I type image, you may notice we have different initializer with which we can create image. And let's use this system name version, and for the name we are just going to paste the person name that we copied from this fs symbol. So same way you can use any image or any icon you want, like maybe this keyboard. So let's just have another image in here. So yeah, we can also change the font to maybe make it a bit larger. So yeah, and we can also change the foreground color for these icons, maybe into a green. So yeah, so this is how you can work or load images using this SF symbol app. And for the second way to work with image, we have to use the image from this assets folder. So let's open this up, and we already have an image in here that says nature, but I can add another image to let you know how you can create a new image. So let's just click on this plus icon from the bottom and then select image set, and let's just name it as nature 2, and then we can open the details from here, and these are all the details for your image. If you want only a single scale image, you can use a single scale in here, or if you have different versions for your images, you can use them. So what this version is, how you can use, so it's very simple. Let's just say if you have an image that has a width and a height of 100 pixels, so for the 2x image, your image should have the 200 height and 200 width, and for the 3x it should be like 3 times. So but for now let's just have this image in 1x corner, in 1x column, and yeah, let's head back to our view, and now we can create this image using the and for the images that are that you are going to load from the asset, you just have to directly provide their name into a string. So let's just name it as nature 2. This was the name of our image. So now you can see we have our image loaded into canvas, and for some reason this image is extending beyond the screen size and only a portion of it is visible. To fix this, we have to use a modifier that's called resizable to make it fit the entire available screen. Now you can see we have our image, but the image is a bit stretched, so we can use the aspect ratio. For this we have to scale. We have the scale to fit or scale to fill. scale to fit actually maintains the original aspect ratio of the image, and if you fill it, then of course it's going to fill the entire available scale or entire available screen. And you can also write this thing as the aspect ratio, and then you can use fit or fill. So it's the same thing as scaled to fit. Yeah. So this is how we can load image from the asset, and we can actually provide a frame for our image, a custom frame, maybe like a width of 200 and a height of 200. So yeah, and then we can actually, yeah, so we can actually clip our image to a different shape, like for example a circle. So we can use circle for the clip shape, and our image will now be a circle, but since it has this frame attached to it, and this we can just comment out this frame, and now we have a perfect image, a perfect circular image. You can use any shape, like we have different shapes. We have a capsule shape, so we can use a capsule shape as well. We have a rectangle. So all of these shape we can use with this image. So that's it for this video. This is how you can use an image, scale it, maybe use aspect ratio, and then maybe you can use a frame, and then maybe we can, yeah, we can clip the image into a different shape. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video.